So we got the motor out yesterday, and now we're just finishing up, and we need to take off the rest of the items and accessories on this car, or on this motor, I'm sorry. We're almost done. And then we're gonna crack open the keg and see what damage is actually there. Okay, so I think we're at the stage where we actually need more parts to continue tearing apart this car. Show you some quick items here, but we got the turbo off, so all the accessories for that. Transmission is out, and that's all there. But at this point, the items we would need are the stuff to take off this bolt right here, and that's on by probably a good 200 foot-pound torque, because it actually is the pulley that holds the whole eccentric shaft for the motor in. And there's a gigantic flywheel nut. Well, it's behind this clutch, but it's something like a how big is that flywheel nut? It's that big. It's really big. Like a 52 millimeter, maybe.
I know this.
Something like this.
It's a 28.
28.
If I remember correctly, I think it's like 28. Maybe not though. I might be like way off. Fuck, it's been
I was thinking it was higher than that.
Yeah, it's been years.
I mean, it's this big. Whatever it is.
Fucking
yeah. But anyway, so we don't have those parts. So at this stage,
so that's
where we're at.
So that right there is a 21.
Yeah, there's no way. Look, that's a 20. Yeah. It's double the size at minimum of that. So it's like a 50 something, yeah.
It's gotta be a 56.
Yeah.
56, 58.
Alright, well, this is our parts delivery, or tool delivery, I'm sorry. So now we can get this going. We did this. We broke this. Trying to get the flywheel nut off. We had another friend come over.
What are those? You need a 14?
No, I'm just gonna do finger tight.
Alright.
It'll be fine.
We're gonna get this nut off. We still can't get this nut off, it's over there. So we're just hanging out, and I'm just gonna clean some parts because eventually I wanted to clean the trans and just make it prettier. Obviously this is an item that you'll probably never see, but it makes me feel better about what I'm doing, I suppose. So we're just cleaning and hanging out. So we got the nuts off the front and the back.
So I'm not lighted. It was a 17.
And now we're just going to remove the flywheel. We got a special tool for this.
It's not 12 points?
It's loud nuts tool.
This one's 12 points. I need. The folder?
Yeah, it's up here. So now we're taking this apart. How many bolts are here? Like 19? It's funny how sometimes you just remember things that you forgot that you didn't know you remembered.
Right?
Oh,
It's a corner seal. Terrible so far.
I don't see anything broken here. So this motor was good up until right there. There's a scarring on this housing, and that's where my corner seal popped out, and that's what caused the motor to go, generally speaking.
Bye bye housing. Bye bye.
We may take a trip down to California.
I'm really thinking day
to
trip.
go pick up some
I'm really
parts.
thinking. I'm almost really excited about the idea of a day trip to Boston Place.
Yeah.
I mean, what a fucking shopping spree that would be.
Well,
we could probably
we'll
get
keep
some
you
free
updated.
stickers out of that.
We'll keep you updated on the current idea, but that's the base one for now. You know, I gotta give a lot of credit to a lot of the YouTube content creators. This actually takes a lot more effort than I thought, but I'm hoping to get some videos out twice a week. You know, the build's moving along really well, but I would appreciate it if you would, this sort of thing interests you, go ahead and give me a subscribe. You know, I would love for you to get your feedback. I'd love to get some comments going here in the sections so we can get some little bit of community building here. Also, I do plan to have a giveaway very soon. Some of the things within my vehicle that I think would be fun for people to have are going to be given away. So we'll be doing that soon. So keep a lookout for that. In the meantime, I would highly appreciate it if you would be willing to subscribe or continue with the process so we can have some good fun here. Thank you.